It's another fantastic evening, and we're hanging around working on cars. That's all we know how to do. And occasionally we go drive around in a car. Tonight's special guest car, Mark's 1966 Electra 225 Cabriolet. Look at that.
I did take the Miles rake out of the front seat.
Oh yeah. Well, I see you left enough in that he'll still be your friend.
Okay.
Cool. Well, let's fire it up.
Let's go for a drive. You're driving.
Oh, I'm driving.
Yeah,
nice.
Why not?
Dave Noyes will come.
Get the road test.
I did say it before that this car is the only car that I've ever sat in that makes me feel like kind of small. I feel like Martin Short in here. Like really,
and I got this.
I'm just like, hey, how's the back seat doing?
You can roll the seat forward a little bit if you want.
Well, sure, if we just want to make fun of my diminutive size, I guess. See, I'll use both. Yeah, you can almost hear the cha-ching, 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 just warming it up. Behaving itself though?
It is.
Yeah, right. For
the most part.
No secret ejectors.
Nope. Just the indicator doesn't.
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
work.
fine.
I haven't fixed it yet.
A barge. I know
It's a barge.
You get tired of hearing it, but I mean, and from a barge enthusiast, like I like a barge. Holy, It really does feel like we're in no wake zone.
Well, the thing is, this thing should feel exactly like the Wildcat, because mechanically it's exactly the same.
Isn't it a bigger body?
Nope.
Really?
Same frame, same body. The only thing that's bigger is the ass end. It's bigger by about an inch.
Oh. The trick is to pull out without skidding out on the gravel.
Yes.
Almost did it.
True luxury motoring.
Yeah, so nice. You have to look way up. Look at the little fucking granny in this thing. Oh, they have the headlights on. Right? We talk about this, Dave, with the... Like, I've never driven this car, and I'm like, you gotta turn the headlights on, and there. I didn't even look down, because I'm like, that's where the headlight switch should be.
It's easy.
I didn't even have to look.
5-year-old
And a new car, you're like, oh, for fuck, there's a menu, and you're twirling some fucking thing, and then they come on automatically, but not the taillights, and then the high beams are automatic, and it won't let you change lanes, and it's just, holy shit. Who buys those? Who buys that shit?
I don't know.
Everybody, I guess.
Everybody nowadays.
Never had to complicate it.
So this one's got a slightly smaller engine than the Wildcat does. It's got the 401, but it's the same engine family.
Oh, okay.
And where the Wildcat has a Rochester Quadrajet on it, this thing has a Carter AFB.
Okay.
And that's in need of a little bit of love, so that's going to be next. I'll probably go through a tune-up on it. This car was put together to be a driver. It was not to be a garage queen or a show car.
So is this the first year or first sign of wood, or is that 65?
No, 65 had real lumber in it, and so does this one. 67 was the last year for that, and then they went to plastic max tank.
Right.
So this is actually a real veneer.
It's actually a veneer. That's nice. Right?
Yeah.
Before the relentless march of the economist through this company.
This one has
just gutting everything.
AM, FM, factory, and 8-track factory. So
factory 8-track?
Factory 8-track.
You ever tried it?
Yeah, it works.
Sweet. What do we got in the car? Sweet? That'd be sweet.
Let's see what we got.
That's amazing. I did not expect it to work. And that you would have 8 tracks.
I got 300 of them at home.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Don't they just break? I had one and they just broke at the end of the track.
My favorite.
So you can listen to them all at once.
Because in '67 was the first year for these. These were optional starting '67.
Yeah.
So this one was probably installed '68.
That's cool, eh? It says Buick on it. Yeah, these things are nice to drive, eh?
It feels great back here. You can't even feel. I mean, is very nice.
Yeah.
It's the way motoring used to be. Really good, high quality cars.
Yeah. High quality cars that were just, and high quality cars mass produced at such a scale you can't even imagine for a car of this quality. Like, I mean, people, I think, make fun of American cars to some extent, but
This is where it was at.
this, like, show me a car in the same price range anywhere in the world as nice as this. By the 70s, sure, it went to hell, right? I'm not going to sit here and defend 1974 Fords and 75 Plymouth, whatever those things.
Yeah, they weren't very good anymore. Yeah.
No, they had every penny taken out of them, and it showed. And here they didn't, right? Still, the cars were. Oh, we'll go out this way. Oh, listen to that, eh? Just pulling a train. Steady pulling, eh? That's nice. We didn't even hear anything, eh?
It was silent.
Just like a big rubber band is tied to the front of the car. The track's really nice.
It's not bad. Yeah. This thing goes to BC every summer, or did this year. I couldn't afford it. A few bucks, $600-700 a gas.
Take a helicopter.
That's about right. Yeah. Driving through the mountains, top down like this. It's
Oh yeah, this is how you go.
a fantastic ride.
It's a fantastic way to go. Woo. Wow, what a treat. Braggers, no helping. Well, that top looks tight.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's fairly new. It's only 5 years old.
There you go. Now we're communicating. I got to drive off like a bitch, so.
It's got this.
Okay, roll the camera. Everybody get in character, which is we're a bunch of skins.
Must be rubber. I've seen a lot of old Delco parts.
But the old departure, not the new departure. I get it. It's a whole new wing. You're not expecting it.
On the next History Channel.
It's a big.
Everybody got enough joints?
I love the fucking
Actually,
packaging.
how was that?
Oh, hang on. Let me
Coming
get
around
you
you.
your own.
Excuse me.
Oh, sure.
Coming around you.
By any, well, maybe. Yeah, or whatever.
Okay, what's in the frame? Not too much bullshit.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's all right. You guys notice how fucking Grandpa went to the store and gave everybody lighters and got them all
Stupid
ready?
nice.
Got pretty smoky.
I didn't see my name on anything. What?
Oh, okay.
Where's the lady?
Oh
Right?
yeah.
What's going on here? What are we?
Just be careful.
That or a tire?
Okay, well we have classic tires, classic darts. So tonight, classic parts. Because if you're gonna rip yourself off, you might as well. Because somebody's going to if you don't. We're gonna make up the show as we go.
That's the
I think an idea is that we will look at the parts and we'll all go, mm-hmm. And then we will try and guess what the part is, and then we'll try and find out what
Do we
the part
get to
is.
shake the box?
Oh, you get to open the box. You gotta check it out, yeah. So let's start with.
There's not much guessing if I get to open the box.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna
Well, I mean, do you
identify
know what
what
it
the
fits
part
though?
is.
You're gonna be able to tell
Oh,
what
I
it
see.
fits?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, here, number one. So have a quick look.
Okay.
What do we see here? It's General
John
Motors.
Player Special. General
It's
Motors
of all the
box.
sizes of packed cigarettes, substantially more
Like a 20 pack.
Nice 20 pack, right?
bearing.
Regular.
There's your part
There
number.
you go.
725-756. Oh, 14725-756.
Yeah.
Dave,
Great
dating?
condition.
I'm gonna say like late 60s.
Late 60s?
Late 60s, early 70s.
Right? There's
Like
no warnings that
1960.
say do not eat the
Sure.
bearing. Right? Cheers, let's have a look. Who's on part
It's like
number
Christmas. I
detail?
love the old wax paper.
I can't be on part.
Look at that.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
wax paper.
Look at that.
Kids, that's paper.
Beautifully
That
machined.
is a beefy
That thing's in
bearing.
beautiful
Beautifully
condition. Wow.
machined.
Is it a
bearing.
thrust
Oh,
bearing? Is it
yeah.
a roller? Oh,
Wow.
that's a beaut.
Look at that. eh?
Wow.
What do you think? That's a transmission bearing.
Is that a
What do you guys think?
6203? I need one of those for myself.
I'm thinking outer axle bearing.
Yeah, it could
Slide
be
an axle
No,
through
it's
that.
a
or-
6203.
something like that,
Yeah.
or possibly a hub bearing for a front-wheel drive car. But Dave predicting 1960s from the label.
Wow.
So We have no idea. Here's what I'm
It's a
thinking.
toughie.
This stuff is
It's a
mostly
toughie.
from a service station kind of situation. So they're not going to be like, you know what we needed 7 or 8 of is the inside transmission idler shaft bearing for a 62 Vauxhall. Like, they're going to be like, what's okay? Everything here is going to fit a Chevy half ton.
Yeah,
so if I was a
right,
Chevy
like a
half
Chevy
ton, where would that be? That would be on transfer case. I don't know. Steven would know. He's an
I
actual
don't know. It's
mechanic.
a small axle.
That's what I think. It's a transmission input shaft bearing. Okay. You guys,
Automatic or manual?
manual. You guys ready for what this is? It's wow, $250 for that baby.
Whoa.
Make us an offer.
Whoa. Serious?
We don't even know what it is, but it's $250
Are
anyway.
you
This is
serious?
a well-built toy.
That's a
Seriously,
beauty.
Scott, somebody's actually.
Yeah, that's what they're asking for it. Oh, you may also like NOS boat propellers. There's a rabbit hole for everybody.
I think we got a winner.
Right?
Unbelievable.
Nice.
Okay, what did we do? Oops.
Don't let it go
I
to
just,
your head.
you hit me and I
Don't let it
poked
go
my
to your
eye out with my glasses.
Perfect timing.
So, where is that thing again?
What
Where is
thing?
that thing
This
again?
thing.
There it is.
Yeah. Okay.
So, 7, whatever. So, show us how you did it. You crossed this to
No.
Across this.
Cross.
Oh, you crossed
This.
that. Varying number is the key.
Yeah.
And it crossed to SKF.
6306. Which we
Yeah.
read as C and then G and then
This
realized
show
was
is going
6.
all the way to the top.
Yeah.
There's probably one guy in his basement who's like, this is the best fucking show I've ever fucking seen in my life. The part numbers, these guys are crossing part numbers, it's live. It's not even live. Nothing came up, so,
So-
and you crossed it, you acrossed it again,
Yeah.
double across,
Punched her into Napa, Canada.
nappy,
And
yeah,
then just started scrolling.
scroll.
And cross-reference to a manual trans front bearing. Which,
Nice.
That's
Nice.
fucking
That-
crazy.
Scott had it.
Manual transmission front bearing for a Chevy truck.
So,
Okay, score one for Butthead.
is this the seal?
but
that
it's
goes with that bearing?
6306J.
You got it.
But it is a bearing.
What, you're gonna
That's
put an
the-
asterisk beside
no,
my
that's-
victory?
Oh,
That's as close, that's as
put
close
your
as-
asterisk
as
there,
we've been
you
able to
fucking-
get.
Not as winning.
Listen to the Russian judge over here, eh?
We
eh?
may have to go to an
Eh?
instant
Fucking
replay.
Tanya Hardin coming up the fucking driveway here, I can see.
Right, next part.
Quick, I gotta get to the hospital, my leg's broken. Seal, okay.
yeah,
Trained
is that the seal
seals
for that
tonight.
job?
Right?
Is that the seal?
So, open her up.
Kinda
Here we go.
sealed.
Well, let's just check the part number.
Well, it's a seal.
But it's-
Like, okay,
it's 60s,
there you go.
70s.
You can kind of get the
What's-
idea.
What's the number?
Packaging.
I don't know, can we get in it? If it's not open.
6, 2,
Are we going in? Or we rip it open? Get a razor blade, cut it open. Who's got a razor blade?
94448.
We're back, right? Part number,
Classic parts
eh?
here.
Classic parts.
We got 6, 2.
The show that went on to run for 29 years and became a beloved family
Nobody
classic up there with the Flintstones. Kids come home at lunch, Mom, classic parts.
They're like, Daddy.
SpaghettiOs watching guys fucking cross-reference SKF numbers. That was my childhood.
Yeah.
627-3948. I said, did we get a look? Quick.
Yeah.
I said, brake drum seal, Chevy truck. Miles said differential seal, Chevy truck. The winner was
My turn.
Chevy truck diff seal. Nice. Well
Diff
played,
guy.
sir. What's next?
Oh, this one's calling my attention.
Okay, hit
What's
it.
with
That's
this
the
extra
That's
accounting
cool. Look at
detail,
this.
Right?
This is heavy Galen shit here. So get that in
cards.
focus, eh? Punch cards.
Let me get it.
What level of Mopar nerd are you? Full punch card?
And so careful to never remove it.
Oh my god.
Oh, what?
This kind of stuff.
That's shocking.
Oh, with
It's right off the shelf with the
With the
gasket.
gasket.
1961 Plymouth.
And that's what it says right on the box. Lens and gasket.
Wow.
Lines and gas.
That's good.
Wow.
What does it fit though? Do you know?
61 Plymouth. Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking nice.
61 Plymouth only.
Look at that baby. Wow.
What a beautiful piece. And I want to put this in a player piano.
See
and then memorize all the part numbers as a song.
This is crazy.
And then you transcribe it, and then you're like, there, still better than what's on the radio.
Now I can just play this to a computer, and the part will be sent to my mail.
That's right.
On the end.
Oh yeah, lens and gasket package. It's a package deal.
Sweet.
Made and printed.
This is everything you need other than the screws.
Other than the bottom 12 inches of the car, this should take care of it. That is amazing.
But once you get there,
Well, you know, and this is what happened with the 60 Plymouth is, you know, 10 years from now, when I get that car done, because it'll probably be the last of all the forward look cars,
yeah.
because it's a full-on splicerama.
And we're back.
And we're,
And we're back. There. Hey, I love that on Carson. You come back and they're just like, fucking. Like, it's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.